this one. It's a silver blue yeti microphone. If you also want to purchase it, I will put the link in the description down below. But this is a special video because we are going to do ASMR with fidget toys. And if you don't know what fidget toys are, it's basically like toys for almost like maybe kids. If they have stress, you can like pop this. It's like really satisfying stuff. So that's what I'm going to do today. Let's start with the first one, and probably the most relaxing one. This cube here. On every side you have something to tap on or scroll on. So we can do some ASMR with them. Here are 5 buttons. This is actually for my brother. You'll probably hear background noises. He's gaming with his friends. I will get the microphone that broke, and actually tomorrow they said it would take 3 weeks, but it's gonna arrive tomorrow, a brand new one. So then I have 2 microphones, so I don't really know what I can do with it, but if you know it, then send me a message on my Instagram. That will also be in the description down below. Maybe I can use it with 2 microphones, right and left. But I don't know how I can do that. Here are some scrolling things. Okay, let's take another fidget toy. This is probably the most used fidget toy. It's called a puppet, I guess. So you just pop these things. It's really satisfying. You can also do it with more fingers. Oh, I forgot one here. Pop, pop, pop. And the other side doesn't make any noise. So, that sucks. So you probably hear my brother. Sorry for that. I think some ASMR artists also made a video about fidget toys, so I'm not the first one. But I actually got this from a friend of mine, school friend. Her name is Matijn. Okay. Now the side that doesn't make noise. Pop. Pop, 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 pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there will be 28. Pop. I can do this for hours. in the comments if you like this one more or the other one, the silver or the black one. I also have asked it on my community tab. I have to check the answers. I only have seen one answer that was black. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more fidget toys. It came in this bag, pink bag. I also went to the store today, so I'm recording this actually very late. It's about 8 p.m. right now, so I have to edit the video and then I will publish it 10:30. Look, I have this pants on. The pants is for my grandmother. I stole it, but I really like this. Okay, now another one. This thing, you have probably seen it before. It's not new. So you have to, like, how you say that, bend this crack or something. I have 3 of them, so this one is black and white. This one blue and green. And the last one is orange and also green. green one, purple one, and a yellow one. Maybe you can make this noise. So these doesn't make any noise at all. This one is pretty loud. But I think it still makes like good noise. So yeah, not all of these fidget toys make good noises. This one is also a little loud. You can put it on your keys or on your bag. We are eating pizza tonight. Very happy with that. Like it's 3 large pizzas for only 30